Lesson 8, Honest and Upright Character. Let's start the lesson with words of wisdom. An honest and upright character is like a bright star that guides and leads towards the path of goodness. Children, come let's understand what is honest and upright character. The character of an honest and upright person is very precious. It is not gained by chance nor inherited from our ancestors. It is the fruit of a prolonged and serious work. It comes after manly combat. You are called to engage in fight against evil. Today, you may not be able to realize fully the importance of this combat, but later, when illumined by the experience, you will be happy that you have gone all out to make your soul perfect. A person of good character is a truthful person. Being truthful person means saying exactly what is in our minds. Deceitful behavior is never appreciated. It is practiced by people who are not self confident and who are cowards. By speaking the truth, we show that we are not afraid of voicing our opinion or, if necessary, in admitting our mistakes. We know King Harichandra was famous for speaking the truth. He faced many problems in life. He had to forgo his kingdom and he had to live separately from his dear wife and son. But Harichandra was undeterred, that is, undiscouraged. He did not leave the path of truth. People following the path of truth will always be successful in life. They may encounter many difficulties and troubles, but ultimately truth always triumphs. If we have the willpower to follow the path of truth, all troubles will become trivial. A truthful man sets a very good example to others. Children, come let's know about the honest man Ramnarayan. Ramnarayan was a clerk in Maxton and Co. His house was far away from his office. Every day he boarded the 8 o'clock train to reach his office at 10 o'clock. He would reach office on time and would leave by the 6 o'clock train in the evening. Ramnarayan had a small daughter Radha. She was a pretty little girl. Ramnarayan loved his daughter very much. One day, as he was getting ready to go to the office, his wife informed him that Radha had high temperature. Ramnarayan wanted to take leave from office and take his daughter to the doctor, but he had some urgent work to finish. He asked his wife to take Radha to the doctor and he would try to come early from the office. Ramnarayan left for office with a heavy heart. The day at the office was very busy. Ram Narayan could not ask his senior for leave. In fact, at 5 o'clock, Mr. Sharma gave him a file asking him to type all the documents before leaving the office in the evening. Ram Narayan had received no news of his daughter. His heart and mind was with her at home. Still, he sat to complete his work. Dayanchand, his friend, asked him the reason for his silence. Ram Narayan narrated the entire story to his friend. Dayanchand told him to go home and to do the rest of the work in the morning. Supposing Mr. Sharma asked me whether I had completed the work before going as he has instructed me, Ram Narayan inquired. Then you can always say yes. Dayanchand replied, no, I'll not lie. I will stay back and first complete the work as ordered by him. Ramnarayan decided. He was an honest man. He did not like to deceive the man who had entrusted him with the job. Dayanchand offered to do the job himself, but Ramnarayan said, thank you so much, my friend, but my conscience will not allow me to leave the job and go. Let me complete all the work assigned to me, and then I will be at peace. God is there to look after my child. My wife is also there with her. Ram Narayan completed all his work by 9 o'clock. He reached the station to catch the train. There was a lot of commotion on the station. People were screaming. Children and ladies were crying. Ram Narayan did not know what had happened. He tried asking one or two people, but everybody was in a state of panic. Just then he saw his neighbor coming towards him. Mr. Mitai, what has happened? Don't you know? His neighbor said. The 6 o'clock train has met with an accident. The last six bogies were smashed by the train coming from behind. At least 300 people have died. Ramnarayan thanked God for saving his life. He always traveled in the second last bogie. His love for truth and his upright character had saved him from death.